Hey guys, remember the days when Nokia meant absolute reliability? If you've been waiting for that legendary comeback, the wait might finally be over. Nokia is gearing up to drop a monster of a smartphone that's ready to give Apple and Samsung a serious run for their money. Yeah, you heard that right. We are talking about the Nokia NX Pro 5G, flagship level specs at a mid-range price. Make sure to watch this video until the very end, because today, we're exposing the leaked specs, the real price, and the expected launch date. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Display and design. Let's kick things off with the design and display. This phone is rumored to rock a massive 6.85-inch QHD Plus OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 390Hz touch sampling rate. Translation: gaming and scrolling are going to feel buttery smooth. For protection, it's packing Corning Gorilla Glass 7 and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, it comes with an IP69 rating, meaning dust and water won't stand a chance. The brick is back. Word on the street is that Nokia is using an aerospace-grade titanium frame here. They are aiming straight for that indestructible, legendary Nokia 3310 DNA, but with a sleek, modern, futuristic aesthetic that feels incredibly premium in the hand. The camera setup. Camera geeks, hold on to your seats. The camera setup on this thing is about to blow everyone away. On the back, you get a monster triple camera array, spearheaded by a massive 200-megapixel main sensor. Day or night, this lens will capture crystal clear, crisp, professional-grade photos. Backing up that main sensor is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those epic landscape shots, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for that perfect, creamy portrait bokeh. And for all you content creators, vloggers, and selfie lovers, there's a killer 32-megapixel front-facing shooter to make sure your selfies are always social media ready. Performance and processor. Now let's talk about the real powerhouse under the hood. Honestly, Nokia went all out on performance this time. This smartphone is rumored to feature the ultra-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. For mobile gamers, this processor is an absolute dream. On top of that, it'll run the latest Android 17 right out of the box. Next level gaming. We are talking about running heavy, graphic-intensive titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty at maxed-out settings without a single dropped frame. To keep things cool during intense, hours-long gaming sessions, Nokia is allegedly introducing an advanced dual-vapor cooling chamber. No thermal throttling, no overheating, just pure, unadulterated power. Battery and charging. A phone is only as good as its battery life, right? Well, the Nokia NX Pro 5G packs a mammoth 7500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and you can practically forget about your charger for days. And when you do need a top-up, it supports 100-watt super-fast charging via a USB Type-C port. Price and release date. Now for the million-dollar question. How much is this going to cost, and when can you get it? According to the leaks, despite these premium flagship specs, Nokia might launch this in the mid-range segment for around $600. As for the official release date, Nokia hasn't made it official yet, but word on the street is that it could hit the market very soon. So, what do you guys think? Would you drop $600 on this Nokia beast with a 200-megapixel camera and a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip? Let me know down in the comments below.